In 1955, this boat, the world's first successful jet-powered hydroplane, started a revolution in speed. The British-built K7 Bluebird reigned over the water for more than a decade, setting 7 world records and adding nearly 160 kilometres per hour to the target. Nicknamed the Blue Lobster for its forward set of stabilising sponsons, the K7 Bluebird was representative of the departure from single-keel speedboats to a 3-pointer hydroplaning design. Operating on the same principle as a hydrofoil, at speed, the Bluebird generated sufficient lift to raise the majority of its hull out of the water, minimising drag to maximise speed and efficiency. Constructed with a lightweight aluminium body, the K7 was built around an ultra-rigid steel frame and powered by a Metropolitan Vickers-Barrel turbojet engine that produced a whopping 16 kilonewtons of thrust. Developed by British speed demon Donald Campbell, the first person to set both land and water speed records in the same year, the K7 was both his glory and his downfall.
Once you start going at these very, very high speeds, a very small change in that force balance could create quite a catastrophic change in how the boat's going through the water.
Modifying the Bluebird constantly throughout his career and piloting it to even greater speeds, it was in the bid to set his 8th water speed record that Campbell paid the ultimate price. With his sights set on being the first to break the 300 mile per hour mark, a goal that meant increasing his current record by over 40 kilometres per hour, Campbell took to Coniston Water in the English Lake District in 1967. Now under the power of a lighter and more powerful Bristol Siddeley Orpheus engine boasting 20 kilonewtons of thrust, Campbell's initial run was just below his 300-mile target, averaging 479 kilometres per hour. His second dash was even faster. But when travelling at an uncharted speed of over 510 kilometres per hour, the craft began lifting from the surface, ultimately going beyond its critical pitch and taking off from the lake before cartwheeling to a violent stop. Campbell was killed instantly.